Hello, I'm Tim. I'm the PM for the package stage, and today I wanted to highlight a few of the issues that we have planned for milestone 16.3. Just zooming out and thinking about our top level goals, our first goal is always to make sure that we resolve any open security vulnerabilities and meet our SLAs with regards to open vulnerabilities. Lately, we've been really focusing on improving the developer experience for NuGet. So our goal is to continue to grow that user base by adding support of V2 of NuGet. We're also focused on adding support for a Maven dependency proxy, which I think will significantly increase the user base for this feature. And so that's something that will span several more milestones, but that we're really focused on. We're also trying to improve the overall usability of the product right now, we're doing that by focusing on improving sorting and filtering for the container registry. That, again, will span a few milestones, and we're always looking to make performance improvements. And for the next couple of milestones, we'll be looking at how to roll out using Redis as a cache for various pieces of functionality for the container registry. A few items that I did want to highlight a little closer. This first one is adding support for external guest users for the container registry. Right now, that doesn't work, and guest users are a really important portion of the product for a lot of our larger customers. So adding guest support for the container registry will be a really nice usability improvement. The next two are related. So when you're using the container registry UI, let's say that you do some sorting and filtering and you want to share that view with your teammate, or you just want to save it to come back to in another tab, there's no way to do that. So what we'll be working on this milestone is adding the current state to the URL so that URLs are easily copy and pastable between browser windows. So we have two issues open for that, both for the list page and the tags page. The next two issues are related to supporting V2 of NuGet. So this is really very important if you use Chocolatey, which is a common open source package manager for Windows. So there's actually more involved for adding support for V2, but in this milestone, we'll add support for the install endpoints and for the search endpoints. And let's just take a look at the epic to see what's left. What would come after that? Oh, that's it actually. So we will launch full support of V2 of NuGet in 16.3. The other issue I wanted to highlight is a minor feature for the dependency proxy, but it's an important one, a signal that we're trying to send to the community that we have not had the capacity to work on dependency proxy features and bugs for quite a while, but we're starting to unblock that in 16.3. And the first one that we'll tackle is this popular issue that seeks to add support for the group access token for the dependency proxy. Okay, I think that's about it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask on the issue. And other than that, I'm excited to have another exciting milestones full of features and bugs. Thank you, everyone.